Yeah, so I was always annoyed when I was using my Lightning client and I wanted to see what my funds are. I get this weird list of outputs and I don't see quickly if something has changed or not. So what I can try now is I can clone my new Git repository, which is this one. When it's cloned, I can switch to the repository. I can run sudo make install. And now when I do list funds, it shows me nicely what is being done.